Everyone, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. Today we're going to be doing a cozy hobby vlog for the weekend. So I'm going to take you guys along in the weekend, kind of like what I do in doll collecting and some of my hobbies that I do that I want to share with you guys, a little bit of my life. So let's go ahead and just start having some fun. So first thing we're going to do is open some mail that I want to show you guys. So I wanted to show you a new doll that I bought. So I ended up buying Barbie Fashionista 206. She looks a little different from her box art because I really wanted to see if she would come with the freckle right here in the middle like the box art. And it looks like her hair is a little lighter than it is in the box art. She looks like a curvy doll in the box art. Me personally, I prefer curvy Barbies, and I'm going to put her on a curvy body. But you know, this doll looks like a curvy doll to me. I don't know why, but she does. But you know, that's neither here nor there. And her hair's a little darker. But you know, other than that, she's so pretty. And I see pictures of her online. And this face sculpt is one of my favorite face sculpts. A lot of my collector dolls I have on my shelf has this face sculpt. I think this is in the shell face sculpt. So it's really cute and I like it, and it's a smiling one and it's very, very pretty, and she has freckles. So I'm getting her out of the packaging. Also, let me know in the comments what you guys feel about the new packaging. If you are a doll collector, how do you feel about the new packaging? Me, I kind of miss the old packaging because it was like storage, and you could reuse old packaging to store doll clothes if you have doll fashion and things like that. But at the same time, I kind of don't, because I'm not gonna lie, people steal fashionistas a lot. I would go to Walmart and they will be missing their clothes and be with just their bodies with no clothes. So I feel like it was a quality control thing when it came to the repackaging of the fashionistas, to kind of going back to their OG packaging, because of people, pretty much because of people. And that's why sometimes it makes it hard for people to do the whole recycling thing, because the bag made it kind of easier for people to take things from the stores. And I also seen in some Instagram accounts that collect dolls that they showed a doll with no head, like literally no head. Like they just wanted that because people body swap. They swap it on Made to Move bodies, and I'm like, wow, that's crazy. But the thing is, I don't know. I just hope that maybe one day things will get a little better, where they could do like a recycling package where it can be more protected to not get stolen in a store. This is how she looks out of the box. She looks really cute. This is her makeup. I like her makeup. It's really cute. And I love the lip color. I think that's really, really cute. I really do like that. She has this little purse and there's a bee on it. Really cute. And she comes with these little jelly heels. Super cute. Love that. So cute. And then I love this dress. This dress came on like the Travel Teresa doll. I did do a review of that doll, and it's pretty much the same dress, but it's a different style. It's an off the shoulder with spaghetti straps, and it also velcros in the back. I'm not going to take off the rubber bands from her shoulders, because usually when I do doll reviews, I take the doll out of the whole packaging. But since we're doing a vlog, I'm just giving a little run through of what she looks like. And she has freckles all throughout her body. So she has freckles on her legs, she has freckles on her neck, she has freckles on her face, and she even has freckles on her feet. So yeah, so I really do like her. She looks like a match for the Freda body, but the Freda body might be too dark. Let me see, hold on, because this doll's on the Freda body. Most of my dolls are in robes when they're not wearing clothes. Yeah, this one's a little too dark. It's a little too dark. Let me see. I think maybe I do have a body that'll match her. If you guys have put her on a curvy body, let me know in the comments down below what curvy body you use for this doll. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get something to eat. So it's later in the day and I got my Taco Bell. Let me show you guys real quick what I got from Taco Bell. I have a veggie Mexican pizza, I have a veggie burrito, and a chalupa. and I love the applesauce. That is my jam. This one says just show them. Let's show them. That's funny because I'm doing a vlog. How funny. All right, so eat my food, and while I eat my food, I'm gonna watch YouTube. Let me show you who I'm watching. So I watched this girl. Her name is Cozy K, and I love her YouTube channel. She does cozy gaming vlogs and things like that, and I want to show you guys her YouTube channel. Let me show you. Her name is Kennedy, and she's Cozy K is her YouTube channel, and I absolutely love it. Right now she's reacting to her old sim channel, and she's really funny, and I love it. I finished my food. Oh, and my drink, I had a mango iced tea. I highly recommend it. It's so good. But yeah, so I'm kind of waist deep into watching YouTube, so we're just gonna catch up tomorrow and do some more hobbies tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, so it's actually 2 days later because Saturday I didn't really do anything, so there was nothing really much to film. But today I am doing some things. So I'm doing a little bit of baking today. So I'm gonna make some jalapeno cornbread, and then I'm going to do probably some crochet and maybe a little bit of gaming today. To make the cornbread, I put 2 boxes of Jiffy, then I cut my jalapenos in half, and then I took the seeds out of it because to make it less spicy, and then I cut it down, and then once I cut it down into little bits, then I go ahead and add the eggs to the mix, and then I add the milk. And then once I'm done adding the milk, then I go ahead and give it a mix in my stand mixer. And then once I'm done with that, then I lift it up, and then I go ahead and I add the jalapenos. Then I go ahead and add the sharp cheddar cheese. I love sharp cheddar cheese because I feel like it gives it more flavor. And then I'm just going to mix that all together. And then you're going to see me pour it into the pan. So let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite recipe to bake in your spare time. And this is how it came out. Okay, so I had got some yarn from Walmart that I got, and you know what I know, and I got some from Dollar Tree as well. I ended up getting the same one I got last time. I had to make sure I take a picture of what I have, but then again, I can do now a big project because I got these 2 colors the same, literally the same, and I'm like, how'd you do that? Whatever, maybe I really like that color. I'm really into neutrals, so that's probably how that happened. So I also picked up this pink one from the Dollar Tree. I also have these 2 colors. I went back to Dollar Tree to see if they had more of this color. It's like a Christmas color, and I want to do like a Christmas cute like type of crochet project with this, but we'll see, because I really want to learn how to do granny squares. That's like the next thing I want to learn how to do, because I've learned the basics, like how to single crochet or double crochet, and I want to learn how to do granny squares now. They say granny squares are easier. So also I got this one in Walmart. It's called Peach and Cream right here. I think this is acrylic. It should be acrylic. It says cotton. Yeah, no, it's cotton. So yeah, I got this one. I think it's really pretty. I want to make a sweater for one of my dolls, so I'm going to use this one, and then I want to use this pink with it to make the cardigan, and then use this mauve color for the back, and then use this yellow for like the collar, rib collar, and the sleeves. So that's the plan I have for yarn. So I'm gonna go ahead and start crocheting. It's all of my yarn is for a 5.5 hook. If you guys don't know, that's for this. So this is a 5.5. I got it from Michael's. So I'm gonna go ahead and start crocheting. I have a tutorial on YouTube that I would like to follow, but kind of do it myself. So let me show you the tutorial that I'm going to be following. The tutorial of this YouTuber. Her name is Jada. Her company is called Mrs. Moon in Heaven, and she does a tutorial about the no-sew chunky cardigan, which is what I'm planning on making right now for my doll, but in smaller size. I know how to crochet. I'm super proud of myself because now I can make more things for my dolls. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys enjoy crocheting. Hold it to your waist, and if you want even long, you can hold it around your thighs. For a size small crop, I did 34 Hey guys, so this is how far I got in the sweater. So I decided to do it like a pullover sweater. So this is how far I got. This is the back panel, which I still need to add some length to it. I want to see how far it goes on her, because I kind of don't want it to be, I kind of want it to be like a crop sweater where she can wear a shirt underneath, and it'll just be like from here and then with the sleeves going down, and then a cuff sleeve on both sides. So I love how far I've come with it, with doing the 2 different yarns. So I'm gonna keep working on it as the week progresses. So probably in our next cozy vlog that I'll be having more progression in this sweater. So let me know if you guys like these vlogs, and let me, if you like these vlogs and you want me to continue to do them, put a yarn emoji or give me a heart emoji, and we'll keep doing these cozy hobby vlogs because I love watching them, and I do a lot of hobbies, and there's a lot more hobbies that I do outside of just doll collecting and things like that. I make things for my dolls, and I love to read as well. As you guys can see, I have my books right there. So yeah, so I really enjoyed doing this hobby vlog. It was a lot of fun. I'm gonna eat dinner, and then I'm gonna go ahead and play some Sims. After I ate dinner, I ended up watching a movie on Netflix, but this is the end of my vlog. Let me know what you guys suggest I do for the next hobby vlog, and I will definitely be playing Sims in the next hobby vlog with you guys. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram if you don't already do, at Bougie Doll Life, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.